Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to uninstall apps on Windows 11 without losing your data. Whether it's Zoom, VLC, or something else, I'll walk you through backing up your info, safely uninstalling, and even restoring your settings. Let's jump right in. First, let's back up your data. Press Windows plus R and type %appdata%. This opens the app data folder, where lots of apps store your settings. Find the folder for your app, like Zoom, and copy it to a safe place, like OneDrive or an external drive. Also check your Documents folder. Some apps save files there too. If they do, back those up as well. Now to uninstall the app, go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Find the app, like Zoom, click the three dots and hit Uninstall, then Confirm. Don't worry, your data is safe because we backed it up. When you're ready, reinstall the app from the official site. After that, copy your saved data back into its original location, usually %appdata% or Documents. Open the app, and voila, your settings should be just like before. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've got questions or video ideas. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.